Hello friends, hi, this is Ganesh Nayak. I'm going to be sharing with you few reasons why FRM exam is not similar to any other banking exams that we have, like we can say CAB, CIIB and JIB or NISM exams which a lot of students or people have given in the industry. The first reason being FRM exam is giving you the result on the basis of percentile. Okay, it's not percentile, which primarily means that you have to perform better than the others. The second important reason is that question that you see in the exam is not straightforward. They will trick the question. So we will ask you like this: which of the following is not false? Which of the following option is most likely a reason for this? The pattern of the question they generally ask is slightly tricky. And the third important reason is that whatever you have read, the questions are not going to be coming in the same format. They will test your understanding. They will test whether you are clear on your concepts or not. And that is why do not underestimate the exam and do not compare your exam with any other banking exam that you might have seen, because this exam is tough. This exam requires you to have consistent preparation for at least 5 months. That is the idea. If you're a working professional, please make sure that you have 5 to 6 months of proper dedication to go for this exam. Do not underestimate this exam. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and do share my videos to your friends so that we can pass on this information related to the exam to a lot of people. Thank you.